very crowded backcourt. We'll get into that later. Not enough minutes for everybody, and that's even with Larry Hughes out. LeBron James all the way to the rim. Now we talked about in the open, put the pressure on the defense. Get the ball in the paint as much as possible. Great drive there by LeBron. Gooden is wide open in the corner, but the Bulls are shooting well early. They come into this game shooting just 40% as a team in the first 4 games of the season. That is third from the bottom of the NBA, but they're 4 for 6 so far tonight. Well, like you said, Dan, they're better shooters than on the bench right now. They come off with Heinrich. Ben Gordon, obviously a big-time scorer shooter. Nocioni can shoot the ball. Delonte West, nice feed in the corner. Open Mo Williams, and both teams pretty sharp in the early going offensively. Well, I think that's the beauty of this lineup. You have a Delonte West who ran the point for this team last year. Now he's off the ball, but he's still very capable of making plays, and that time he sets up Mo Williams for an easy one. Good and short this time. Mo Williams talking about how every team you're ever on, the players always say, it's like a family. Everybody loves each other. He said, but this time I really mean it. And he reiterated what Coach Mike Brown told us, as Ilgauskas has it projected, that it's 9, 10, 12 guys going out together on the road. And there's Derrick Rose doing what just about nobody else in the league can do that well. You know, he's only been in 5 games, but if he wants to get to the glass, he's getting to the glass. That was explosive. He kind of hesitated out on the wing and put on a sudden burst and gets to the basket uncontested. 8 of the 10 points early for the Bulls belong to Derrick Rose. Big height advantage here for Ilgauskas. Fadeaway Jay is short. I don't mind it. That's 5 shots for Ilgauskas early. Feed him the ball. He is going to score if he gets it in there numerous times. Tyrus Thomas from the elbow. That's a shot I don't like. And that's one Thomas takes the water. Luol Deng has not attempted a shot so far here tonight. Williams is fouled. You know, Tyrus Thomas shoots 26%. I don't know that there's a better athlete on the floor other than LeBron James than him. Get the ball to the hoop. First year head coach, Vinny Del Negro. First time as a head coach at any level. He's done office executive and a broadcaster in Phoenix. 12 years in the NBA. I'm sure you went nose-to-nose, toe-to-toe with him. Oh, nose-to-nose. Thanks. Thanks. You're always, you know, I know I have a big nose, man. Thank you. Toe-to-toe. Well, you know, a surprise choice, Vinny Del Negro, really came out of nowhere as we see Mike Brown, who's done a terrific job here in Cleveland. Really a phenomenal defensive coach. That's why this team wins. That's why they were in the finals 2 years ago. And talking to him earlier, he says this team, no question, will be better than their finals team from 2 years ago. Timeout taken by Drew Gooden. Couldn't get the ball in. For the Bulls and Cavs here with the cue, we are tied at 10 in the early going here in Cleveland. Derrick Rose putting on a show. Back here in Cleveland, the Bulls and Cavs are tied at 10 early. A terrific start tonight for rookie Derrick Rose. Vinny Del Negro, his head coach, talking about Rose's future.
Point guard position is the hardest. The NBA is hard enough, but being coming in as the number 1 pick, as a rookie, and putting that responsibility on you to run the team is difficult. And he's handled it well so far. But, you know, there's no question he has a lot of growth and a lot of maturing to do, but I don't see any reason why he's not going to continue to improve in a drastic way. He has things you can't teach. You know, the speed, the athleticism, the strength, and he has the confidence that he knows he can improve and will get better.
Well, this is exactly what Vinny Del Negro is talking about. Speed, athleticism, and strength. Great time to attack the defense. They're not ready in transition. He puts his head down. He's in control. Goes up and scores easily. I love what I see out of this kid just in the first 5 minutes. 4 for 4, 8 points already. Ilgauskas called for the block, and he's pleading his case that Tyrus Thomas just bowled right into him. I agree. I like the aggressiveness, though, Thomas. We talked about him struggling, shooting 26%. He's not a jump shooter. Take the ball to the basket. But I thought G was in pretty good position there, Dan. Well, last week the Bulls were in Boston, and Tyrus Thomas went 2 for 17 from the floor. And he's taken a lot of jump shots instead of really utilizing that athleticism. And we talked a little bit about Luol Deng. I mean, Deng's got to be a star for them, and he looks lost in the offense right now. He's been a non-factor through the first 5 minutes of this game. And he's been a non-factor throughout the season. He's shooting just 32%. And this is a guy that I really felt was going to have an opportunity to get on the All-Star team this year. I thought he was that good, particularly 2 years ago. Last year was a tough year, but this is a guy that's got star potential. Count it. The offensive foul on LeBron.